Alright guys, so now we're gonna share with you guys how to use the Alexa app. Okay, now this is through Amazon, and so you do need to have an Amazon account for it. Alright, when you download the app, I'll insert a screenshot of what the what it looks like. But it's Alexa and it's through Amazon. Okay, when you download the app, this is what your home page is gonna look like. Okay, when you want to access your rebates, you're gonna click shopping list at the very top. Then we're gonna click savings right here on the right hand side. These are all the offers. Okay, I activate every single offer just in case. The check mark means it's activated, and let's see if I have one that's not activated. Right here, this one isn't. So you click the plus sign and it activates it. Okay, and I check mines every day to see if there's any offers that are new. You don't have to activate every single offer. I just do because you just really never know. And so everything is always activated for me. All right, so with this app now, it does pay out by way of gift cards to your Amazon account. That's the only thing about it. It's strictly to your Amazon balance. And I usually use my balance for ink because I gotta buy it anyways. I can get it on Amazon for the same price as I do at Walmart, so it's like, why not? What else? You do need to activate offers prior to purchase as well with this app. And let's see, when we're ready to submit our receipt, we're going to click get paid, and then you're going to click redeem offers, and then we're going to either take a photo of your receipt, or you're going to choose it from your files basically, and then you submit your receipt. This one can take anywhere between a day to, I would say, 2 or 3 days. Sometimes it takes a lot less than that. It just really depends. With this app, I really try to keep the receipt as small as possible, just because I feel like it does go through faster that way. Other than that, you guys, it's pretty easy. If you want to see what transactions have cleared, you can just scroll down here and it'll tell you right here. If you want to check your balance, you click the very bottom where it says see gift card balance activity, and this is where you'll see how much you have on yours. I don't have anything because I used it for ink last month, and so I have nothing in here. And that's basically how you check your balance on here. Now, when it comes to reaching out to customer support, I had an issue probably sometime like maybe a month and a half ago or so, where an item I didn't get the credit for it. I called or I contacted customer service through a chat, and it was absolutely 100% useless. I spoke with 2 different representatives. Neither one could help me at all. In fact, had absolutely no clue of what I was talking about. So I decided to make a call and talk to them. That didn't work out either. Again, the representative had no idea what I was talking about, and it was absolutely pointless. And so I feel like the app works when it works, but it's like, in my experience with reaching out to customer support, it just wasn't helpful. So I'm really hoping that that's something that they work on. I'm not sure how others' experiences have been with customer support, but for me it was a no-go. So what I do with Alexa is, usually if I'm doing rebates on coupons.com, they do have the scan feature to verify products. ShopMium also has the scan feature as well. So what I would suggest is scanning it through those 2 apps first to make sure that it qualifies. in my opinion, if it doesn't scan through coupons.com or ShopMe, I'm not even going to try submitting that particular offer on Alexa. And that's just pretty much how I treat the app. But other than that, the app, I like the fact that it does go to your Amazon balance, because who doesn't love Amazon? Like, yeah. And again, I can use the balance for my ink every 2 months or so, and it works. And so other than that, I really hope that this video was helpful. I know that Apple and Android, the layout may be different. I've heard that. I know for me, the shopping list had disappeared for some time, and I just assumed that I didn't have that feature anymore. And so I deleted the app, and one of you guys gave me some suggestions, so I reinstalled the app, and it popped back up. So I was like, okay, cool. So if you're having any issues, you can always update your app or reinstall it. And so again, as always, I hope that these videos are helpful. If they are, don't forget to show your girl a little love by liking this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.